Hey my prissies, welcome back to my channel. So this is a totally different kind of video for me. You guys are not used to seeing me in front of a camera, and I'm also not used to being in front of a camera, so bear with me. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. It's just going to be a Q&A. A lot of people have been asking me so many questions, and I've been getting a lot of the same questions on my videos, so I just decided to do a Q&A for you guys so that I could answer all the questions at once instead of having to keep going back and responding. So yeah, it'll also give you guys a little bit of insight on me and who Nails by Tamia is. So yeah, if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. I'm sure I'll do another Q&A. If you like this type of sit down video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments, and maybe I'll start doing more like nail tech talk videos on my channel. So yeah, just show me some love down below and let's get straight into the video. So the first question is, where do I live and where do I work? So my husband is in the military, he's in the Army, and we do live in Hawaii, and I actually have a studio in my house. I've worked in lots of salons, not lots, but just a couple. I've worked in a couple of salons, and I just decided that when I got to Hawaii, it would be the best move for me to just work from home. I've also got a lot of questions on my channel about where I have been and why I have not been uploading. And the reason for that is because I actually had a baby. I do have a 3-month-old. Her name is Nova, and she's just perfect. But yeah, that's where I was. I was being pregnant and not uploading, but I am definitely back, and I will be getting the videos out for you guys. Let's see. What acrylic system do I use? So currently I've been using the Young Nail system. I use their liquid monomer and their nail powders. What drill do I use? I use the Coupa Ink Mani Pro. It's a really good drill. I like to use it. I've been using it for like years. It works really well. So it's great for beginners and for advanced nail techs. So yeah, the Coupa Mani Pro is what I use. What age did I start doing nails and learning about nails? So I became interested in nails actually when I was like about 13 years old. I was about in the 8th grade, I would say, and I just went and bought one of those random little kits from CVS and just tried to do my nails. And I feel like a lot of people do that. Like pretty much every girl has done that, and it's been a hot mess when they tried, and my first time was a hot mess, but I just decided to keep on going. So I did my nails, I did my sister's nails, I did my mom's nails, I did my best friend's nails. I just kept doing everybody's nails, and it just picked up from there. So I would do friends, and I would go travel. I had like a little nail kit, and I would go to my friend's house, or they would come to my house, and I would do nails in my mom's basement, and I would do their nails, my friends. And I would be doing my friends' nails, and their moms would come and be like, oh, can you do my nails? And I'm like, me? Like, I'm not that good. And they're like, yes you are. So that's really how that started. I just started doing other people's nails, and so once I started feeling like I was good enough to do like adults, now I'm like, okay, I'm charging people. So it really took off from there. I got my cosmetology license when I was in high school. I never had any desire to do hair or anything like that, but I just wanted to get my credentials to do nails, and so that's what I did. So while I was in cosmetology school, I continued to do nails, and once I started college, I got my first job at a nail salon. So if you want to hear more about my nail journey and just like my whole crazy nail career so far, let me know, and I'll definitely do a story time for you guys, because I got a little bit of stories to tell. Where do I get my products? Majority of my products, I get them at my local nail supply store, like my monomer, my powders, nail glue, things like that. A lot of my other products that I might order, like nail art things, I get them from like Ocean Nail Supply. I get them off Amazon, eBay, my rhinestones, things like that. So if you want to see another video like that, I can definitely do that to let you guys know where I purchase all my products. I try to leave everything that I use down below in the description box, but like I said, a lot of the things I get them from my local nail supply store. So most local nail supply stores will have them. Only thing is that you have to be licensed in order to shop at those stores. So, you know, if not, then I'm sure you can, a lot of the things you can get off Amazon, eBay. Size brush I use a Kolinsky brush. Most of my videos I'm using a number 18 brush. I actually usually use a bigger brush than that, like a 22. But for my YouTube videos, I like to use a smaller brush because you know, more people will feel comfortable using that smaller brush. So I like to use that so that people can feel more comfortable if they're trying to do the same set as me on their own. The average time it should take to do a set of nails. Okay, so everyone is different, you know, and I wouldn't say that there's an average time that it should take you to do nails, but you definitely want to make sure that you are just doing your best. That's what I would say. So if your best is taking you 2 hours to do a full set of nails, then that's fine. If it's taking you an hour to do your best set of nails, then that's fine. I wouldn't say rush it, try to be faster or anything like that just to churn out the clients. That's not good. You know, you want to make sure that you're putting out quality. So for me to do a full set of nails from start to finish with just maybe gel polish or a little design, something like that, takes me in about an hour, about 45 minutes for a fill. So everyone is different. I remember when I first started out, it literally could take me 6 hours to do a full set of nails. I am not kidding you. I would sit there and file and buff and file and buff for like 3 hours. Like, that's why it had to be one of my friends or my sibling or somebody that would come and get their nails done, because it would literally take me forever. And I would say to get your speed up, you just want to keep practicing. So I worked in a salon at one point where I was doing like maybe 15 clients a day, like just churning out clients, churning out clients, churning out clients. So I was forced to get my speed up. So that's what made me to be able to go really fast. And so now I have a really good speed when it comes to doing nails. What other services do I do? So like I said, I am a cosmetologist and I do a lot of services, but the services that I focus on mainly are nails. But I also do eyelash extensions. I am a certified microblading specialist, so I do microblading eyebrows. I do full body waxing. I do pedicures. What else do I do? I do a bunch of stuff, guys. But yeah, the main thing that I focus on is nails. Maybe one day I'll bring other things to my channel, but nails is what I've been doing the longest. Nails is what I am very proficient in and that I know a lot about. So I don't want to tell you guys about things that I am not that well versed in. So nails, I'm a pro. I got you guys. So yeah, that's why I keep turning out the nail videos. Maybe one day I'll bring other things to my channel, but we'll see. What tips do I use? I use the Eden tips. I get them from my local nail supply. I'll also mention that in my upcoming what products do I use video. Let's see. Tips for doing your non-dominant hand. I could definitely do a video for you guys for that. It might look kind of funny because I do all kind of weird things when I'm trying to do my own nails. But yeah, definitely. How much do I charge for a full set? Click the link in my bio on my Instagram. How old am I? I just turned 25 in May. Did I go to school to get licensed? Yes, I went to cosmetology school when I was in high school. Sorry guys, there's a plane going over my house, so hopefully that isn't too loud. Can I do a video on common nail mistakes? I definitely can do that for you guys. Do I offer private lessons? I do. I do private lessons. I have people come and I provide a whole kit for all my students. I have taught group classes before of about 10 people. Those are about as big as group classes I do. They're usually about 4 to 5 hour classes. I just do them so that I do them smaller so that I can give each person my attention, so that they can really feel like they learned something, which is why I actually started YouTube, because I love to teach. That is what I would love to do in the future. I definitely want to teach. Let's see. Advice for new nail techs. Keep practicing. And I'm sure that is the advice that you're getting from every seasoned nail tech. They're all going to tell you to keep practicing. But it's true. You really, really, really need to keep practicing. Practice on anybody that you can. Keep practicing and stay humble. There's always going to be things that you don't know, and you don't want to seem like a know-it-all. I have people comment on my videos all the time of things like, well, you know, you could have done it like this, or you can also do this, or there's a better way for that, or I do mine like this, you know, or they're saying things like you shouldn't do that and I learned in nail school this or that, you know, and that's totally fine. You know, do what works for you, but you definitely want to remain humble and don't bash the next nail tech. I mean, I'm here to teach, you know, so if there is something that I'm unsure about, I'm not going to teach it to you guys. And also on my videos, I always say that I am teaching my technique or how I do this. I've been doing nails for over 10 years now, so I'm sure whatever technique that you're suggesting that I do or telling me I'm doing it wrong, I should do it this way, I know the technique and this is the way I prefer to do it. So, you know, remember that we are a community and we are a small community. So we should be uplifting each other and empowering each other. And that's what my channel is here for, to uplift and empower the next nail tech, to give you guys the best tips and tricks and to teach you guys everything that I know so that you can be successful. So, you know, don't bash the next nail tech under my comments. Don't come to my page being negative, you know, because I'm not here to make anyone feel bad, to criticize anybody for what they do and the techniques that they use. So please don't come to my channel doing that. You know, I definitely want everyone to do well. There's enough success and money out here for everyone to do well. So that is the main focus of my channel. How long did it take me to get good? I don't know, because I always thought I was pretty good. But I would say maybe I didn't take nails as seriously when I was in high school. It was more so of a hobby until I got my first job working in a salon in 2011 when I was going to college. So then that's when I started taking nails more seriously. I wouldn't say I was great then either. I had issues with nails coming off, things like that. But I started to take it more seriously once I started making really good money doing nails. So I decided that, you know, I would take it more seriously, and I did. So I would say maybe about 2012 is when I started doing well, and then I started learning more techniques and getting my speed up and like trying to have more of a clientele, things like that. So yeah, I would say about 2012 is when I started to take nails more seriously. And that's when I think I got good. I think those are all the questions. I think I answered them all. And the main questions that I've gotten from people. So there's a lot of other questions on here just asking like what type of brush I use, what kind of tips I use, what kind of products I use, things like that. So I'll definitely in an upcoming video just dedicate a video to that, showing you guys the products that I like the best, my favorites and things like that. I do have a lot of new products coming in that I'm going to be trying out, so I can do some videos for you guys like that, kind of unboxing videos, things like that. But yeah, just make sure you comment down below to let me know what kind of things you want to see on my channel in the future. I really liked filming this video for you guys. I think that it went okay. If it did, let me know down below. I know I kind of stutter over my words a little bit, and that's because I'm not used to talking in front of a camera. But I do kind of like this little setup, just casually talking to you guys. Yeah, I really like doing this video for you guys. So if you have any more questions, feel free to comment below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and make sure that you are subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.